are blessed to have you tonight.
All right. All right. Thank you so much. All right. For those that we have never met before, how is my voice? Is it clear?
Yes, very
Yes,
clear.
yes.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, good. If we have never met before, my name is Silda. It's a tongue-twisting word. I know it's tough to pronounce. Most people, they struggle with it, but it's simply pronounced as it's written. Okay, I hope I'm recording for those that are missing. Okay, it's simply pronounced exactly as it's written, cylinder. So if you check here, seal, it's just seal and then NTA, nta, cylinder, okay? Hope we won't struggle to pronounce it from tonight if we have been struggling. So the purpose of this lesson is to introduce beginners to the world of Forex trading. On a daily basis, I receive questions like, what is Forex? Or no, I got your number from this person and that person. I also want to know what you do. How do you make money? How do I get started? How much can I start with? If I put in $100, how much do I get? Those kind of basic questions, okay? I have been trading Forex for the past 8 years or 8.5 since 2016, somewhere there. I also started from somewhere where I got curious. I wanted to know how this Forex thing works. And then I just started to do research and then and so on. So there's really nothing special about Forex. As a social media user, wherever you go, on Instagram, on Facebook, WhatsApp status, TikTok, people are posting about Forex charts and everything. What are these things? And a few days ago, I posted about cryptocurrencies. Most people wanted to know how they can invest in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoins and so on. There's really nothing special. All you need is just your time and commitment. Then you can get started, okay? So this week, this whole week starting tonight, we will be having free introductory lessons. Tonight, I'm going to walk you through how Forex works and just the basics. Tomorrow, we're going to create your trading account. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to show you the trading application that we use. That is the MetaTrader 5. How to trade, how do you buy and sell, and all those things. On Thursday, I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw from your trading accounts and the different methods that you can use to deposit and withdraw. And then we're going to wrap it up on Friday with the introductory lesson. So if you won't miss from tonight, you stay until the end. And then it's going to be about 2 hours, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. You stay until the end and you stay with us until Friday. Trust me, no one is gonna lie to you on what is Forex is. You will have an idea by the end of this week, okay? Are we ready? Are we ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay, perfect. Before we start, let me just have a few, 2 or 3 speakers just to introduce yourself and how do you know Forex and what made you attend this? What is motivating you? So just to, I want to know the kind of people I'm dealing with. Are you already a trader? You are a beginner or something? Where do you stand in Forex? Just unmute yourself. You just tell us your name, and then you tell us what you know about Forex. If you're a beginner, what motivated you to attend the lesson? Be free, ne? Let's be free. It's a free world. It's a free Namibia. Let's just be free. Come through. Don't be scared. Are we there?
Yeah, we are there. Hello.
Yes, Caroline.
Yes, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks. And how are you, dear?
I'm good.
All right, great.
So all I know about Forex is like foreign exchange,
Uh-huh.
whereby you have to like exchange currencies, two different currencies. I don't really know much more about it, but I can see, and then I know the clue on what to do, but then I really don't know how to do it. And the only problem with me as a beginner now, it's I don't know how to analyze all those kind of things. But then I know if I'm doing it, I'm just doing it. Just trying. I'm just trying because I'm just learning through YouTube videos and those kind of things.
Okay. Are you already a trader? You have a trading account, or you want to start? Maybe you have a demo account or something?
No, I'm not. I'm already having trading account because I'm having a Veriv account and then XM account. But I tried. I said, let me say, like I tried to to trade maybe on real account twice or maybe three times. And then I tried to grow my $10 to 20 something, another $10 to 20 something. Again, I blow them up again.
Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, and then thank you so much, Caroline, for sharing your where you stand with Forex. Let's have another
Yeah.
speaker. Let's have another speaker. Don't worry, Caroline. By the end of this week, you will be on a good track. You will know what to do.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Let's have another speaker.
I'll make sure I'll attend these lessons until the end.
Yeah, please do. It will be best. Okay. Let's have another speaker.
Good evening.
Okay. Let's have, I think, Mukuve Mbambi, and then there's someone using Samsung. Let's just give the gentleman gender equality. Maybe two ladies, two gents. Then we can start with the lesson. Yes, Mbambi?
Yes, good evening, Silenta.
Yes, good evening, Mbambi. How are you?
I'm all right, thanks. How are you?
Very well. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Welcome. So just tell us your
All right.
name. Where do you stand with Forex? What motivated you to attend the lesson?
Okay, my name is Mbambi Mkuve Nicholas.
Okay.
I'm already a trader. I do trade with Xness broker. What motivated me to attend this lesson is to gain more knowledge from others who are already on top.
Okay.
Yes, since I'm a beginner, but I know somewhere I have some clues, but not really good. So that's what motivated me to attend the meeting.
Okay, no, that's good to hear. No, you're welcome. Let's hope you will learn one or two things at the end of the session.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Senator.
All right, most welcome, Mukuve. Who's using Samsung SMA155F? Just come through.
Is Sarafia.
What's your name?
Is Sarafia.
Sarapia. Oh,
Sarafia.
Sarapia.
Yes.
Okay, I will just rename you on Zoom. Okay, nice to meet you, Miss Sarapia. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks. And how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thanks for free classes. I
All right.
appreciate you.
All
And
right.
I'm a beginner with that product. And plus minus, maybe I blow my accounts maybe 3 to 4 times. And okay, I can tell this is the candle, this is buying, this is selling, this is yes. So yeah, but I get more to get interested in forex. I see it's more. I got inspired, especially that time of COVID, where I was scared to lose my job, and then I was like, what can I do? So I decided, let me try forex, and I'm gonna be like working from home with my phone, not to waste my Wi-Fi, just to TikTok and WhatsApp, but to use it as I'm earning something. So that's what actually inspire me. And most of my friends as well, they are doing forex. So when they are talking about candles, they are talking about buying and selling. When they're talking about non-pay funds, something like that, I'm like, what are you guys talking about? So I want to join as well. So that's how it is.
All right. All right. It's a very interesting story. It seems you are not new or you didn't hear Forex today. And I don't know what happened during COVID-19, but to be honest, during COVID-19, that is when I made a lot of money in the Forex market. For some reason, I don't know. Maybe everyone was at home, everyone was trading. Everything was just on point when it was come to online money making during that season. But then later, even if you have been trading with deriv, by then they were still called binary. Okay, they were called binary. That's when they started with volatility 75 in the synthetic indices. And it used to give us a lot of money than currently with a boom and crash. Back then, deriv used to give like serious money. But nice to hear from you, Sarapia. Let's have one last speaker who is a gentleman, preferably, then we can start.
Yes, good evening. Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, Blasius.
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks, and how are you?
No, good. I believe for me, you already know it. You're talking to Blashius.
Yeah, I think, especially this week and last week, we have been in touch here and there. Even
Yeah.
on the chat, I go through sometime the conversations. I see you busy chatting with my admins. I don't know what you are chatting.
Yeah.
Maybe you are busy withdrawing or depositing. I don't know.
I know. Now the thing is that I was stressing out, man.
Mhm.
I was on night shift, so I really missed classes, especially for the practicals. So I
Okay.
just decided to like start over. But with the one that we are starting right now, I'm actually kind of good. Like, yeah, I know. I
Mhm.
really do know the basics. And well, for me, what motivated me to join your classes is that the first thing I have friends that are girls that trade, mostly around guys, and they're always making money like here and there. And they're always like telling me, no, if you want to know classes, you should get to, go to Silver. He will teach you, like, so you get to know. And mostly, especially like, on the big home there, you just want to get the bread and
Mhm, yeah.
also get to know. So mostly the skill that I want to know, like on how to make money. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, like 1,000, yeah, like 2,000, but mostly what I want is the skill. I only want the skill, not really to make money, but the skills. As a mother is about the thing.
All right.
So that,
Thanks. Good to hear from you. Just like they say that first you learn, then you remove the L, you N. So we all
yeah.
started somewhere. It's like with the learning, it's the most important thing. With the skills, it's the most important thing. And then later you eventually start to earn. It's like on a daily basis, the life that we live now, like for me, on a daily basis, you don't have to wait for month end. If you're having a job, please keep your job. Don't quit your job, okay?
No,
But
keep it
you can learn Forex as a side hustle. On a daily basis, you can make $100, $200, $300 as a beginner if you are good. And there are a lot of ways that you can make money in Forex without even trading. Just for you to know, if you're gonna stay with me until the end, I'm gonna just to give you a quick idea. Like most of us, we only know Forex that you have to deposit and then you have to trade to withdraw. But people are making a side hustle. They are making a lot of money without even trading. You can become a payment agent. It's still an industry that is very young, where you can assist people to deposit and withdraw. If I tell you how much I make in a month just from helping people to deposit and withdraw, you'll be surprised. It's more than most of you's salary here, just in that department. Okay. As we speak, there is a big opportunity in Namibia when it comes to cryptocurrencies. People were using altcoin trader, but it was recently terminated by Bank of Namibia. Now, people are depositing and withdrawing cryptocurrencies among ourselves, and we are making a lot of money through crypto as we speak, because altcoin was the big dog, to say, in Namibia and South Africa. But now that they've terminated it, I'm even receiving South African clients. I'm making money just from crypto as well. You can make money from trading. You can make money from deposits and withdrawal. You can make money from being a payment agent. You can make money from P2P. There are a lot of opportunities, and you can make money as an affiliate. You can make money as a mentor. You can make money as a signal provider. You can be into a lot of stuff. So as what I do as a mentor, I try to introduce everyone to a lot of opportunities that you can keep yourself busy. You can simply be on your phone helping people to deposit and withdraw, and you can make at least a 300, 400 a day. You can buy bread, you can buy cosmetics, you can help your cousin out. You don't have to wait for paydays. There is money, not just in the Forex trading, in the Forex industry itself. It's called a Forex industry. So you don't have to sit and relax and so on. Let me not preach too much without getting into the lesson, but I just want you to know that there is money in the Forex market. So if you are looking forward, the best thing to do, the best of the best, do yourself a favor and learn. Do not give your money to someone, because it's very painful on a daily basis. People are losing money. They are giving their money to people. If I show you my DM, someone wanted to withdraw 8,000 US dollar on in the morning on a platform that he does not even understand, and they are asking him to first top up, or he has to deposit money before he can withdraw. And then I asked him, how much did you start with? He said, I started with a 500, and in 8 days, I'm seeing an 8,000 on my account. They are asking me to deposit and withdraw. Then I told him, you are being scammed. He denied, no, it's a legit platform. I'm okay. It's all right. If you think it's a legit platform, how do you wish to withdraw? He doesn't know how to withdraw. He said crypto. I send him my crypto wallet address. Like, okay, it's fine. Just send your funds there. Let me know when you're done. I'll pay out. Then he said, how can I send it? People are investing in things they don't understand, and they are falling in the wrong hands on a daily basis. Our Namibian people are getting scammed into crypto investments. They are getting scammed into pyramid schemes. They are getting scammed into people that claim to be account managers, and the result is always the same. I blew the account. I blew the account. Or maybe pool accounts. The results are always the same. We have to put an end to this. There is nothing special. That is what motivated me to give these free lessons. There is nothing special about Forex trading. It's something that you can learn and do it yourself. You don't have to give your money to me. You don't have to pay me, but it's something that you can do yourself. All you need is you have to commit, and you have to be very serious with it. It's a normal job and a full-time job, just like any other job. Okay, we'll have more engaging session at the end of this session. Just stay tuned. Just drop your questions in the comments if you happen to have anything in the middle of this session. You can expect to be here until 10 o'clock, okay? We'll have Q&A session at the end of the session. For now, let's go through the introduction to Forex lessons. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Silta and welcome to our introduction to the Forex lesson. Let's begin, okay? I'm going to mute you all. All right. Introduction to Forex for beginners. Understanding what is Forex. One never learns to understand anything but what one loves. You have to love Forex for you to understand it. So what is Forex trading? FX or Forex, or some they refer to it as spot FX. It's an abbreviation that stands for foreign exchange. Okay, if you write the word foreign exchange, there is this part for, and then there is this part EX that you can combine to form the word Forex. It refers to the global financial markets that allow one to trade currencies. To trade is simply to buy and sell. Okay, if you order clothes from Angola or South Africa to come and resell to Namibia, you buy from there, you come sell this side. You are busy trading, okay, in that area. When you cross the border and travel to another country, you will need to change your money into a local currency. Let's say you want to travel somewhere, like this month end, I'll be traveling to Mauritius, okay? Just for some vacations. When you travel, you have to exchange your local currency into US dollars, okay? Mostly into US dollars. And then when you arrive in that country, you have to exchange your US dollars into the local currency of that country, okay? Let's say, for instance, you have Namibian dollars and you are visiting friends. You will exchange your dollars for euros. By doing this, you have participated in the foreign exchange market. These transactions that people do at the airport, in the banks, they do count in the Forex market, okay? The foreign exchange market, commonly known as FX, is the largest financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume of about 7.5 trillion US dollar. It's trillion with a T and it's in US dollar, meaning the money that moves around in the Forex market on a daily basis. What I can trade with $100, you trade maybe with a 500, someone trades with a 10,000. When you put that money together, it's about a 10 trillion, a 7.5 trillion US dollar. We have a lot of markets in the world. We have the stock market that it's very famous as well. We have the crypto market. We have bonds, we have futures, we have swaps, we have options, a lot of financial markets out there. Okay, if you put those things together, they cannot even get closer to the Forex market. Okay. The Forex market, it's open 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday. That is the Forex market. When I say Forex, I'm referring to currencies, that is, and then the precious metals and the other stuffs and indices. Allowing traders to buy and sell currencies at any time. This answers the question, when can you trade? You can trade Monday to Friday, day and night. As we speak, people are trading. And you can as well trade with, during weekends, Saturday and Sunday, if you are trading with deriv. There's a way you can trade during weekends as well. You can trade every day, so to say. Okay? The foreign exchange market, it's decentralized. What does it mean? You don't have to be in a special place. Wherever you are, where you are watching this session from, you can trade Forex from there. You don't have to be in South Africa. You don't have to be in Swakop. You don't have to be in Windhoek. You don't have to be in Katima Mulilo. You can trade Forex from wherever you are, even when you are at the farm. There's nothing special about it. So long you have internet connection like what you have now. It's everywhere in the world, okay? The foreign exchange markets operates without a physical exchange. There is no office that you'll walk into that this is the Forex office. Everything is done online, okay? It has no physical location or a center of exchange, okay? All you need is a stable internet connection and a computer or a smartphone or both. Okay. The Forex market, it's considered to be over-the-counter, known as the OTC market, due to the fact that the entire market, it continuously runs electronically. You don't have to go on a counter to give money like we go on to deposit at the banks, for example, inside. Within a network of banks and non-bank financial institutions, it's just a system of institutions that have connected to each other on the internet, okay? Buying and selling of currencies pairs. Forex trading is the simultaneous buying of one currency and selling of another currency. What does it mean? If you wish to travel, you will go to the bank, for example, and then you will give your Namibian dollar and you request to be given US dollar. What are you doing? When you are giving your Namibian dollar, meaning you are selling your Namibian dollar. When you request for US dollar, meaning you are buying US dollar. When you give your Namibian dollar and get US dollar, you are buying and selling at the same time. That is what it means, simultaneous things happening at the same time of another currency. Currencies are traded through a broker. What is a broker? A broker, it's like an institution that operates online. These are like banks, and they are not in our country. We still don't have a Namibian broker yet. Maybe me and you can work together and come up with one. Okay, we rely on international brokers and we trust international brokers more. They have a website. It's companies like Deriv is a broker. They have a website. You just go on the website. You open your account. When you want to deposit, I'll show you how to do this on Thursday. When you want to deposit, you go on that website, you make your deposit, and then when you want to withdraw, you go on the website, you request for the withdrawal. The money is sent to your account or in any other platform. They are traded through a broker in pairs as currencies are quoted in relation to another currency. For example, we have the Euro USD. This is the exchange rate between the Euro versus the US dollar, USD Japanese yen, GBP or the Great British Pound, known as sterling versus the US dollar. The US dollar is everywhere and it makes the world go round. Even in the Forex market, it's the king of the Forex market, okay? For example, when you have GBP versus the US dollar, the currency on the left, it's called a base currency. And usually the value of a base currency, it's a 1. And then the one on the left, the one on the left is the base currency. The one on the right is the code currency. And the 1 point something is the exchange rate. Okay, I think I skipped something. By simultaneously selling your euros and buying your US dollar, you are engaging in a foreign exchange transaction. For example, exchange rate determines the value of one currency relative to another currency. In general, the exchange rate of a currency versus the other currency is a direct reflection of the country's economy. When you buy, you are expecting the euro to appreciate. let's say we are comparing the euro versus the US dollar. You are expecting the exchange rate between the euro and the US dollar to appreciate, meaning you're expecting the currency on the left, that is the base currency, to appreciate, and the currency on the left to depreciate. And when you buy, in general, you are expecting the exchange rate to go up. When you sell, you are expecting the exchange rate to go down. There are things that we look at. We're going to look into details later at a later stage. How do you expect it? There are things that we look at, okay? And then there are three categories of currency pairs. There are hundreds and thousands of, not thousands, there are hundreds of currencies, maybe thousands in the world. The United Nations currently recognizes 180 currencies. Since we are trading one currency to another, if you take one currency and compare it to every currency, there are a lot. It's known as combinatory in statistic, combining different possibilities, okay? If you were to pair each currency up with another, it's a lot. There are quite a lot. Let's look at the three major categories of the currency pair. Which ones do we trade the most? The first category is the major categories. These are most frequently traded currency pairs, and they include the US dollars. In other words, these are currencies that are coming from the developed countries, and they include the US dollar in them. Which ones are the developed country? If I ask you, mention for me one of the developed country that you know. You will likely mention Japan, England, all those things. Those are the developed countries, okay? When you take a currency that is coming from the developed country, you compare it with the US dollar, it forms a major currency. For example, we have the euro versus the US dollar. It's a major currency pair. US dollar versus the Japanese yen, GBP versus US dollar, USD versus the Canadian dollar, USD versus the Swiss franc, and Australian dollar versus US dollar, and New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. They all have one thing in common. There is always a US dollar. That is a major currency. Most of us, on a daily basis, we trade Australian dollar versus the US dollar. In the morning, we give a signal on AUD, is it AUD USD, something like that in the morning. And then we got out, we are expecting a re-entry on that. I'll show you that. And then we have the minor currency pair. This is currencies that are coming from developed countries. When you compare it with one another without the US dollar in it, that is a minor currency pair. For example, we have the euro versus the GBP, euro versus the Canadian dollar, GBP versus the Japanese yen, euro versus the Swiss franc. And then third, you have the exotic currency pairs. Exotics, these are pairs coming from developing countries. When you compare it with a developed country, you find an exotic. For example, you have the US dollar versus the Turkish lira. A good example would be the US dollar versus the ZAR. ZAR is the nickname for the South African rand. Okay. When you take something, you compare it with the ZAR, you find an exotic. Or the GBP versus the Mexican peso. Those are exotics. And most of us, we trade the major currencies followed by minor. We rarely trade exotics because they are expensive. Like brokers, they charge high on that when it comes to spread. We're going to learn about spread and all those things later. Because they are known as, they are regarded as high risk and so on. Then the currency distribution. About 84% of the Forex market is dominated by the US dollar. Everything you do, the US dollar can influence your trade or your position. You can take a position on AUD, New Zealand on a minor without the US dollar being there. But if something happens on the US dollar, you're going to see that it's being affected as well. And then being followed by the euro, Japanese yen, the GBP, AUD, Swiss franc, CAD, and others. I can share this slide at the end of the session if you want. You don't have to take notes. For now, just pay attention, okay? I'm going to share the slide. And then the US dollar is the most traded currency, making up 84.9% of all the transactions. Why the US dollar plays a central role in the Forex market. The United States economy, it's the largest economy in the world. We know that. They are ruling the world, okay? We have other countries coming up like China, and we have big economy like Russia and so on. But yeah, the US dollar is still on top. The US dollar is the reserve currency of the world. Most of the transactions, international transactions, are concluded in the US dollar. If I once watched a video by one of a prominent leader that we have, Prof. PLO Lumumba. He said, we have a lot of currencies in Africa, for example, maybe about 50, we have like 54 countries with, I don't know how many currencies in Africa, but he said, none of them is used to conclude transactions international. All our transactions in Africa are concluded in the US dollar, in Europe, and so on. Okay. It's the reserve currency of the world. The United States is the largest and the most liquid financial market in the world. The United States has a stable political system. Like now they are campaigning for election, but they are only having like two candidates, if I'm not mistaken. That is Donald Trump and who is this lady? But if you look at our election, our political system is it's unstable. It's like a small country, but we have like maybe 21 or 20 something registered political parties with candidates campaigning for election. Their political system is very stable. And it has the sole military superpower. We all know and respect the military power of the US. And then the US dollar represents about half of international loans and bonds countries and foreign companies borrows in US dollar. Even us, our politicians, they do borrow in the US dollar. The US dollar is the medium of exchange for many cross-border transactions. For example, the oil is priced in US dollar. So if Japan wants to buy oil from Saudi Arabia, it can only be bought with US dollar. If Japan doesn't have any dollar, it has to sell its yen first to buy the US dollar, and so on. There are a lot of reasons why the US dollar is very powerful. Then who can trade Forex? Who are the people that trade Forex? The ECN broker, Electronic Communication Network. They do trade Forex. You know, brokers, they have book A and book B. When we get to brokers and their behaviors, we're going to get to that. They do trade Forex as well. Banks, they do trade Forex as well. It depends on how you take it with the banking system. For example, if you invest your money with a bank, they can promise to pay you a 10% interest on your money, maybe after a year. They don't just take your money and keep it. They invest it somewhere with higher return. One of the places they invest your money is in the Forex market. They also act as a middleman for people traveling to exchange these currencies. They participate in the Forex in that regard. Please don't write on the board, or else I'll remove you from the lesson to identify you. They also invest into bonds. They invest into loans and a lot of places that they invest into. But one of the places they invest their money is in the Forex market. Okay. You can also trade Forex. Me, I do trade Forex. Routers machines, they do trade Forex. Market makers, we're going to learn about market makers. We have to respect them. We respect them a lot. And then Father Bernard or Brother Bernard, they do trade Forex as well. Your grandpa or my grandpa, our grandpa can as well trade Forex. Sister Bettina can trade Forex. Sister Maria can trade Forex. And then everyone can participate in the Forex market. There's nothing special about it, okay? Then how can you trade Forex? The first thing that you need a computer or a smartphone or both to trade Forex. And then you need proper education to trade Forex. You as well need to open an account with a trusted broker to trade Forex. Just a moment. It seems okay, no, it's okay. I thought something was wrong in there. I thought I picked a wrong slide, but it's the correct one. All right, let's continue. You need proper education to trade Forex, and you need to open an account with a broker. When we started, I shared the link with you that is the requirement for you to follow the lessons properly. Please go and open your account with Deriv. Just go and start the process. We'll follow it very well from tomorrow. But if you can be ahead, that would be great. You need to install a trading application. I will show you how to do that tomorrow as well, or as we progress. The trading application that we use is the MT5. So you need a smartphone, and then a smartphone, internet, proper education, an account with a broker, and then just the trading application, that is the platform. Then the most famous platform that we use, it's the MetaTrader 5. Okay, it's first it was MetaTrader 4. They are more like the same. This is just an updated version, more like Windows 11 and Windows 10. They are more like the same, but it's just a new version. Okay. Mostly we trade with MetaTrader 5, and then it looks like this. It looks like it's Chinese. Most people are scared when they see this, like, where do I start? Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you that on Wednesday. And then you also need a practice or a demo account that we're gonna create tomorrow, and then trading capital. How much can you start with? We'll learn, or I'll explain, I'll answer this question as we move forward on how much you can start with. But later you're gonna need money to start trading Forex. Unfortunately, you can't make money from thin air. You need to put in money to get money. So it's business, okay? How to make money trading Forex? The Forex market, we can skip this one. How does Forex trading work? So as a Forex trader, you are speculating on whether one currency will increase or the other currency will decrease in value against another currency. What do we mean by speculating? No one really knows where the market will go, okay? We are using probability to determine where the currency or the value of the exchange rate will go. In other words, Forex trading can be defined as this process of speculating on currency prices to try and make profits in their fluctuations. The value of a currency is influenced by a lot of things, by economic activities, by political activities, geopolitical events, climate change, for example, and trade and financial flows, transactions that are going on a daily basis. This is what affects the exchange rates. The objective in Forex trading is to exchange one currency for another in the expectation that the price will change in your favor, okay? Here's an example. Assuming the exchange rate of the US dollar to Namibian dollar today, it's at 17.5, but as we speak, it's at 7. As we speak, the rate is at 17.5, but for the sake of this example, let's assume the rate is at 17, okay? 1 USD is equal to 17. Let's say you want to purchase 1,000 US dollar at the above exchange rate, which is at 17. Meaning this means that for you to get 1,000 US dollar, you take your 1,000 US dollar, you multiply it by 17. You need to give 17,000 Namibian dollar. Okay. 2 weeks later, let's assume the exchange rate have increased from 1 US dollar to 19, from 1 US dollar to 19. Let's say around this time, you want to sell back, to give back your 1,000 US dollar. Maybe you bought it with 17,000, you have been keeping it. This is how we make money, even crypto investments that most of you were saying, like, how can I start? How can I start? This is how we do it. You just buy, then you keep it, you hold, okay? Then let's assume 2 weeks later, the rate have fluctuated to a 19. And then if you are to sell back your 1,000 US dollar that you are keeping, at that exchange rate of 19, the 1,000 will be multiplied by 19, meaning you are going to get and 19,000. Now the question is, where did the extra 2,000 come from? It's from the fluctuations in the exchange rates, simple as that. And that is exactly how we make money trading Forex. You buy the currency when the rate is low, you hold it in expectation that the price will increase or appreciate or depreciate or vice versa. Then you make money of the difference. Now this answers the question, how much money can you make or how much can you start with? If using this example, if you had to purchase maybe a 2,000 USD, with a 1,000 USD, you made a 2,000 Namibian dollar. With a 2,000 USD, you're gonna make ×2 of that. That is 4,000 Namibian dollar. If you had to purchase 100 US dollar, you are gonna make times divided by 1,000 of that. That means you're gonna make a 200 instead of a 2,000 with that. So how much can you start with? You can start with any amount. Your profit depends on your ability and your skills on when to buy and when to sell. And that is exactly what we teach at Silnta Forex Institute. Okay. And then this means you will earn a profit of a 2,000 and so on. We already discussed this. How much can you start with? Okay. You can start with any amount. You can even start with a $10. Let's just go through. Many brokers allows you to open an account with as little as $100 to $500. Some even offer micro or cents where you can start with as little as a $10. So right now, brokers like Deriv, you can even start with a $1. If you want to deposit a $1, I can assist you to do that. Recommended starting capital, we recommend at least a bigger amount. That is a 1,000 Namibian dollar to 2,000 or a 50 US dollar or more. This provides more flexibility and reduces the risk of significant losses. Can you get rich by trading Forex? It's a good question. Who doesn't want to get rich? I want to get rich. On a serious note, I'm sure you also want to get rich. Or it depends. You know, we don't like to have this conversation about money, especially where we come from. Like me that comes from the village. We never had a conversation about how to get rich with my mom, for example, or my siblings. All we care about is, do we have relish in the house? Do we have something to eat? Do we have breakfast and so on? How do you go to school? But then when you graduate, you go to varsity, after graduation, you realize, this job, it's not doing it. The salary is not enough. Then you start to have the hunger for money. You want to make more money. You want to get rich at a late stage. But we need to have serious conversations and open conversation. I want to get rich. Can you get rich by trading Forex? It's a good question, okay? The Forex market is easily accessible to individuals with a relatively small amount of capital. And due to leverage is the ability to make more money than your deposit in the Forex market. This thing of you deposit a $10, then you make $100 or $500, you withdraw it. In the volatility of the market, Forex can offer the potential for high return. It's important to maintain realistic expectation in the Forex market. It's a business just like any other business, okay? Getting rich quickly through Forex trading is highly unlikely. You cannot get rich quickly. We have to underline the word quickly. You can get rich, but not quickly. Delete it in your mind. You know, on the internet, they are selling us a lot of things like, no, you can quickly build a house. And then I show you how I bought a nice car. I show you how I bought something nice that you can't afford, you see. And then it makes you make you think like maybe you can quickly make money and go buy it also. No, forget about it. Relax, okay? You can make money, but not that fast like they are telling us on social media, okay? Getting rich quickly through Forex trading is highly unlikely and often portrayed unrealistically on social media, okay? It's portrayed, it's either I want you to pay for my mentorship course, or I want you to invest with me, you give me your money, so I trade for you, I scam you, I run away with your money. It's either I want to manage your account. There is always something that brings these results to make it look like you can make money fast, so you give your money. But realistically, you can't get rich quick. We need to relax, okay? We need to calm down. There's a way to make money. I'm going to show you how to make money in a legitimate way without you losing money into wrong hands, okay? And then here are some things to consider before you start trading Forex or currencies. All Forex traders, and I mean all, lose money on some trades. I do lose money trading Forex. You are going to lose money trading Forex, okay? There is no Forex god. There is no Forex guru. If there was, that person could be a trillionaire. That person could be richer than Elon Musk as we speak. You get it? There is nothing like that, okay? We don't have a person that makes money every time 100%. What usually happens is, you know, the people that promote Forex market on social media makes it look like the person does not lose money. Make it look like the person just makes profit on a daily basis just for you to pay for the services. But these are open and real talks that we are having, okay? In a way that if I lose money, I don't post it. When I make money, I post it. You know how social media is. What we see on social media, even with celebrities, it's not the reality. Come on. You can see an artist, you can see a Forex trader, you can see someone. There is always a behind the scene that they don't show. Even in the movie, there is a behind the scene. They repeated that scene and you get it. The same with Forex. Relax, okay? There's hidden truth here that I'm going to reveal to you. There's nothing to hide. I'm going to tell you everything. Okay, 99% of traders lose money. Okay, due to poor planning and a lot of other reasons and so on. Only few people makes money in the Forex market, and I want you to be one of the few people. I don't want you to be a person that will end up scamming people, faking results to get money. I want you to be a real profitable trader in the 1%. That is what I want for you, okay? You should risk an amount that you should be willing, okay, but we can skip that. So Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but in conclusion, so this is why it's very risk. And then there's leverage. We're going to learn about leverage as we progress. The Forex market are incredible, volatile, and unpredictable. Even experienced traders like myself, we do experience substantial losses, okay? You just need to know how to manage it and survive the next day. While leverage can amplify gains, it can also amplify losses, leading to significant financial setbacks. Competition. The Forex market is highly competitive. Think of this. Where does the Forex money come from? When you make profit, where does it come from? Meaning there's someone on the other side that have made a loss. You get it? Or it's either, if you are trading with ECN broker, meaning there's someone on the other side that have made a loss. If you are trading against the broker, because there are brokers that trade against their client, the broker have made a loss when you are making profits. Okay. Especially these young brokers in South Africa, for example, they don't want you to withdraw a lot of money because mostly they are trading against their clients, and it's a result of that. With large financial institutions, experienced traders, and sophisticated algorithms all competing for profits, in the Forex market, no one wants you to make money. That is the truth. Not me, not your friend, not the broker, not anyone that wants you to make money. I was watching a podcast this afternoon by some NAST guys that were interviewing Job Panda, Prof. Job Panda. And then I learned something from what he said, and I quote, he said, in this world, no one owes you anything, and no one is gonna do for you a favor. You are on your own. Meaning, and he also said people can disappoint you. Someone you trust the most can disappoint you. You should not rely on anyone. You are on your own. What does it mean? The same in the Forex market. No, people can disappoint you in the Forex market, and no one wants you to make money. You want to make money. The broker wants to make money. I want to make money. Your cousin wants to make money. Everyone wants to make money. Who is going to lose now? No one wants to lose. So what does it mean? No one is on your side. Everyone is for himself. That is the point. You get it? When you buy gold, I sell gold. I want to make money. You want to make money. When you buy Euro USD, I sell Euro USD on this side. I want to make money. You want to make money. They say competition, direct competition in the Forex market. Everyone wants to make money. That is the story in the Forex market. You now have to know the right way, or how do you outsmart everyone? How do you make sure that you make money, and then people that also want to make money? That is the whole idea. You have to outsmart the system. You have to know the right way to do it for you to make money, because there is high competition. There are a lot of psychological factors. Maybe a financial problems, you want to go solve your problems quick, and a lot of things. It's a skill. Forex is a skill that requires time to learn. And once you learn it, you're never going to be broke again. No, not to brag, but I can't remember in the past few years, I can't remember a day that I was broke, like flat broke. I can't afford anything. On any given day, you can wake me up and I can afford what I want. If I want basic life things, I want you to be like that also. I'm not promising that you're gonna be rich. No, relax. But I want you to live a comfortable life that you can afford basic life things. You can travel when you want. You can buy yourself a latest iPhone when you want. You can buy yourself anything that you want. You can afford food. Just that Forex can do that for you. Okay, you can live above an employee's lifestyle, so to say. Forex can do that for you, and it doesn't happen overnight. You need to put in time. When can you trade Forex? That is the next thing we're gonna learn. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day. We covered that. So the Forex market, it usually opens when I'm referring to trading sessions. This is what I mean. It usually opens Monday to Friday, broken down into trading sessions. What are trading sessions? For example, when you are trading the Australian dollar, there is a specific time that the Australian people are starting to go to work, and there are specific time that they start with work. Like in Namibia, we start mostly from 8 to 5, so to say. If Namibia was to be traded, our trading session will be 8 to 5. What does it mean? This is the period that these countries whose currencies we are trading, they are in the bank, busy making transactions. This is the period that their politicians are announcing whatever that they are announcing. This is the period that their central banks or their reserve banks are announcing important information or important announcements, like the repo rate announcement or economical information that can influence the Forex market. When we say the Sydney session or the Australian session, this is the time when the Australians are active. These are the active working hours, whereby if you are trading their currency, you want to know what time do people in Australia start with their work and what time do most of them knock off? Because that is the period that the Australian dollar is going to move. Because that is the period that banks in Australia are busy making transactions that can affect the Australian dollar. You want to know as a trader, what time exactly do the Australian dollars make transactions? And what time do people in Japan make transactions? You cannot be trading the Japanese yen while themselves are sleeping. Who's going to move the market? It's themselves that moves the market, the Japanese yen. You want to know these periods. These are what are known as trading sessions. So the Forex market opens with the Sydney sessions. When it opens on Monday, for us, it opens on a Sunday, 11 o'clock. It opens with the Australian dollar. First, you know, now it's nighttime to us in Namibia. There are some parts of the world, to them, it's morning time as we speak. And somewhere it's afternoon. So when it opens at 11 o'clock on a Sunday, in Australia, for them, it's morning. They are starting with work. So when you want to trade the Australian dollar, you have to pay attention around that time. So the Sydney session, the Forex market opens with the Sydney session. That is the Australian session. Then followed by the Tokyo session. As it opens, the Japanese, they also wake up and then they kick in. And then followed by the London session, and then it ends with the New York session. So let's quickly have a look at the time zones on how it operates. Okay. The Sydney session, for them, they start at 7 o'clock. And for that, it will be on Sunday, the previous day. To us, it will be Sunday at 11 o'clock. For them, it's 7 o'clock on a Monday. It opens with the Sydney session. And then later, the Tokyo session also kicks in. For them, it will be 9 o'clock in the morning. But for us, it will be 1 o'clock night time. This is what we call in the morning, but we are sleeping. Okay. It's 1 o'clock a.m. during the night for us. Okay. This is why you see, if you are a fundamental trader, the news for Australian dollar, it's usually released in the morning around 2:30, 3:30 in the morning. If you are a trader and you are trading news that is coming from Australian dollar, you have to wake up. There are times that we stay awake to trade the Australian news. Okay? Why? Because that is the time that they are making announcements in their country. For them, they are awake. When you are trading their country's currency, you humble yourself, you wake up and trade it when they are also trading it. You get it? That's why these news are getting released overnight. Okay? To them, it's morning time. And then the Sydney session, it closes at 4 o'clock in their country. For us, it will be 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay? If you want to trade the Australian dollar, you have to trade it between 11 o'clock in the night or in the evening until 8 o'clock in the morning. That is the time that you can expect it to move. Then the Tokyo session, that is the Japanese session. If you want to trade the Japanese yen, it then kicks in from 1 o'clock, it pushes, and then the London session. The London session, this is the Great British Pound. If you're a fundamental trader, mostly you will see that the news will be announced from GBP around 8 o'clock in the morning, early morning, Namibian time. That is the time that the news is being announced. Okay? That is their session, actually. And then to us, it will be 9 o'clock in the morning. An hour difference. And then the Tokyo session will close. To them, it will close at 6 o'clock. But for us, Namibian time, it's going to close at 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay? You will not see the Japanese yen moving during the day. For us, it moves in the night and early morning. Okay? It's for this reason. And then we have the New York session. It also kicks in at 8 o'clock. To them, when it's 8 o'clock in America, for us, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? You will start to see the US dollar moving in the afternoon. If you are a trader, you will agree with me. You can be on the chart the whole day. The US dollar will not move. It will relax. You will just be there. And in fact, the US dollar moves when the no, the market moves when the US dollar comes in most of the time. The market will be very quiet in the morning. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, you start to see fire. You start to see profit. You start to see losses. That is, the US dollar kicks in around 1 o'clock local time, Namibian time. And then it pushes until the London session then closes at 5 o'clock in their country. To us, it will be 1800 hours. And then the New York session will push until 10. As we speak, it's about to, they have an hour to go for it to close. And then this is the time that gold usually closes as well, okay? It usually takes a break, a short break. We're gonna get to that at a later stage. And then when can you trade Forex? Until Friday, that is until Friday, there is no time during the week when the market formally closes, okay? From Monday to Friday, you can trade these currencies anytime you want. During the day, during the night, if you're a person that goes to work, you can come back and trade and so on during the night. If you are on night shift, you can trade during the day and so on. Although there are brief lull or there are short time that the market closes just a bit, okay? Especially when the day is changing, but maybe for 5 minutes and then it's reactivated again. When most American traders have gone home and most Kiwi and Aussie traders get ready for work, these are just nicknames. Kiwi is a nickname for the New Zealand dollar, just like we have NAD for Namibian dollar, and then there's ZAR for the rand, and the Aussie just the Australian dollar. Other than the weekend, there is just 2 public holidays when the market closes, and you can guess. The market does not respect Kasinga Day. That's why you see us when, for example, teachers, they are the GRN's last born in this country. We know that. They have a lot of holidays. When teachers are on holiday, for us, we are busy posting on the group. For us, we are busy trading. For us, we are posting results. Why? Because the market does not respect this Teachers' Day, these Kasinga days, and what Christmas. Christmas it does. Independence, it doesn't know those things. There are only 2 days that it closes the whole year, meaning only on Christmas and on New Year. So 25 December, you cannot trade. The market is closed. 1 January, you cannot trade. Apart from that, you can trade Monday to Friday. And Deriv have made it worse. People are now not sleeping. Monday to Friday, we are trading currencies. Weekend, we focus on derived instruments. With Deriv, they have now introduced what is known as synthetic indices, previously known as synthetic indices, now known as derived instruments, whereby even weekends and Sunday, you can trade the like of boom, crash, volatility, jump, and so on. I will show you how to create an account if you want to be trading weekends tomorrow, okay? And then although the Forex market is open 24 hours daily, there is no way you can trade all the sessions. At the end of the day, who does not rest? You need to rest, okay? You just have to pick your specific hour, whether you're a weekend person, night person, day person, then you trade. Besides, sleep is an integral part of a health lifestyle. Then what is the best time to trade? You might be wondering. The Forex market is open Monday to Friday, even weekends, it's still open. What is the best time to trade? You might be wondering. The best time to trade, the London session, meaning from 9 o'clock up to 6 o'clock. It's the busiest out of all these 4 sessions. If you are a Namibian trader, the best time I would advise you to trade, it's between 9 o'clock and 4 o'clock, not 6 o'clock. From my experience, you should not miss 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock. You should, if you are trading, you should look for trading opportunities around that time. That is the time that most of the opportunities comes. That is the time that the market moves. And then at night it can move, but it's not as during 9 and at 4, okay? It's believed, liquidity, it's believed to be at optimal level. What is liquidity? The ability to buy and sell when you want to, okay? And then the London-New York session overlap, it's believed to be the busiest period in a trading day, okay? What is the London-New York overlap? Where the London meets the New York session, it's believed to be the busiest and it's the most volatile period of the day, okay? That you should be trading. And this is the time that the market moves a lot like crazy. Okay, when the London meets New York, meaning from 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock, but it's specifically from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. You should not miss that period. That is the period that the market moves a lot. Best time to trade, best time of the days to trade, of the week to trade. Like today, it was Monday. You saw I just gave one signal and then I tried to search the market trying to give you a signal on currencies. I could not really find a legit signal or a high probability signal. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, those are the best days of the week to trade. Monday, the market is usually quiet. And then Tuesday, it starts to move. Wednesday is when it moves a lot. Thursday, it rounds up. Friday, only when we have news that the market moves on Friday. But if you're a trader, make sure you trade between, you are available between 9 o'clock and 4 o'clock. And you're also available Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Monday, very rare, not really. Friday, if there's news, we're going to show you how to know if there's news or not. If there's news, the market will still move. But the best 3 days are those ones that you'll be trading. So the middle of the week is where most of the movement happens as the PIP range widens for most of the major currency pairs. PIP is just the points that the market move with. We're going to learn that. So those are the best days to trade. And then this brings us to the end of our first lesson of many lessons to come in our Forex course. Okay, I'm gonna introduce you to our Forex course. This is just the first lesson of our Forex course. This is the full course. What did I do? It seems I stopped the screen sharing. So this is the course outline. I've shared this on the group, but I'll still drop it for the sake of the new members. This is the course outline. What we did today, it's day 1. I showed you what is Forex, buying and selling, the Forex market size, liquidity, and so on. Okay, and then I also walked you through on who trades the Forex market, me, you, and so on. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna show you, that is day 2, how to create your trading account, mostly with Deriv, and then choosing a reliable broker. I'm gonna walk you through that. Then I'm gonna introduce you to the type of accounts, and so on. And then day 3, I'm gonna show you how to use your MetaTrader 5, that is the trading platform, how to log in, the user interface, how to buy and sell, how to set stop loss, how to set take profit. And then day 4 on Thursday, I'm going to share with you how to deposit and withdraw, okay, using your card. your ATM card, as well as using cryptocurrencies. How do you deposit and withdraw using cryptocurrencies and derive P2P? And then on Friday, we're going to wrap it up. We're going to summarize, and this is what we call the beginner's course. And then for those that will proceed with us, we will then move to the Forex terminologies. This is what is a PIP and so on, the tradable instruments. And then we'll move to technical analysis on day 6 and 7. Day 8 and 9 will cover fundamental analysis. But I have seen from the previous intake, this usually takes a bit longer. And then day 10, it's news trading. We still have Q&A session. Just stay tuned. In a few minutes, I'll give you a platform to ask questions. And then news trading, mobile, and so on. And then day 11, we're going to look at smart money concepts, market structures, breakers, supply and demands, order blocks. These are advanced techniques. Then money management and risk management. And then we have number 1, cause of death of Forex traders. And then I'm going to reveal our best trading strategy on day 13. Day 14, I'm going to teach you how to develop your own trading plan. And then the Forex trading scams. How do people get scammed in Forex? I'm going to teach you crypto investment scams. I'm going to teach you how the tactics that scammers use, the pressure tactics, lack of transparency, they pay a small amount. That story of you have to pay something before you can withdraw. Those are tactics I'm going to show you. Trading psychology, that is module 1 on currencies. We will then have module 2. Module 2 is on cryptocurrencies. These days, you cannot separate Forex with crypto because they are becoming one, especially when you want to deposit and withdraw. You need to know how to operate crypto. And the whole crypto investments, day 15, we're going to cover introduction to cryptocurrencies. And then day 16, we'll look at the blockchain technology, history of cryptocurrencies, type of cryptocurrencies, how crypto works. You're going to understand how do you buy and sell cryptos. We're going to cover that in day 16. Day 17, we're going to learn the difference between trading crypto and investing in crypto. What I showed you, the screenshot that you saw a few days ago of my account is I am investing in crypto. I'm going to show you how to invest in crypto. And then the crypto regulations, the risks and securities in cryptos, and then the world use of cryptocurrencies. Like now, crypto is being used to buy and sell something, to make payments. Also in smart contracts, like we are having smart contracts where you have to recruit someone to get something and you get paid in crypto. My battery is low. Just a moment. Let me plug in my charger. Okay, it should be fine now. Okay, then the oral views and the ethical considerations, people still think, or they are still there. Is crypto real? Is it a scam? Is it legit? There are still those that don't accept it in the society. Even Forex, there are still people that have issues accepting it as real. And then day 9, we're going to cover advanced methods on how to use cards, crypto, as well as wallets, deposit and withdraw. Derivative P2P, wallets like Perfect Money, Neteller, Binance, and Altcoin Trader. But Altcoin is now not working in Namibia at the moment, so we can just scratch this one out for now. And then day 20, we're going to have revision. And then day 21 to 30, we're going to have day 10 of practical, where I'll request you to deposit a certain amount on the account. Then we are supposed to meet here and there to go through these things. Okay. And then what else? And then apart from that, just information sharing, I want to share with you the services that we offer in the Forex market. For information sharing, we do offer these services. Let me share with you. Number one, we do offer mentorship, meaning if you want to learn deeper into this thing called Forex, we provide mentorship or lessons online and face-to-face. Face-to-face is called one-on-one, however you want to call it. And currently, we will be offering face-to-face next week in Windhoek, starting 21 to 27 October, and the first week of November as well. So that is from 4 November, I'm not sure, the first week of November, that Monday to Sunday in Windhoek, okay? And then as we speak, I am currently in Windhoek. So the venue is already booked. For those of you that are interested into face-to-face, it's booked and paid for. And then the usual price for face-to-face, the value of the course, it's a 10,000. We are currently giving it on special as a 4.5. There's a reason we picked October and give it a special. October, it's my birthday month. My birthday was on the 4th of October. We are giving this special as a birthday special, okay? And then online, if you can't make it for the face-to-face program next week, you also have an option for the online mentorship. You saw it was on 7,000. Last month, we reduced it to 3,500. Those people that we're gonna continue with, you know, day 1 to 5 are for free. Day 6 up to day 20, they are for those that pays for mentorship. They pay the 3.5, okay? And then since it's the birth month, or however we can call it, birthday special, I'm giving a chance this month to the first 10 people for a 1.8 only on online mentorship program. And so far, 3 people have already paid, meaning we only have 7 spots available at 1.8. Then from there, the price have to bounce back. Just for you to celebrate my birthday with me and to celebrate your birthday as well. And signals, they were 3.5, but currently we have it on special at 1.4 lifetime. And the other thing is those people that are enrolling, this is a good news to you guys. For those that are enrolling for Windhoek face-to-face, I will give you lifetime signals for free, okay? It's a good month. I'm in a good mood this month. And then for those that are once online, let's just get them the whole information. If you want online, you pay 1.8. If you want to have signals as well, while you paid for the online package, you can take the full package, which is a 2.8. You top up a 1,000 on your 1.8, then we can give you lifetime signals as well. And this is the best offer on economy. If you can't afford face-to-face, but you want both signals and mentorship, a 2.8 only this October, then you'll be good to go, and all the services are lifetime. On top of that, we also provide derivative P2P, meaning we do deposits and withdrawals. We can do deposits and withdrawals for you on derivative using P2P platform. I'm going to teach you this on Thursday. And then we also provide crypto exchange. When you want to deposit and withdraw crypto, we can do that with us. Like now, altcoin was, it's not operating in Namibia. People are stressed. They don't have any way to sell their crypto or to buy crypto. Don't stress. We are here for you. You can buy or sell crypto with us. The same business that altcoin trader was doing, we also do that business. Don't cry on that, okay? And then we can also, when you are struggling to deposit and withdraw in general, don't stress. We can help you, mostly deposit, maybe you can, but when you're struggling to withdraw, just give us a call. We can help you withdraw out your money and deposits. And brokers ask for account verification, meaning proof of identity and proof of address. If you are struggling to verify your account, don't struggle. We are here to assist you. And then copy trading, it's coming soon. I'm gonna share, I've been telling you that it's on trial phase. So far, it's doing very well. I'll share with you how my account is doing now. Copy trading is when you do not want to trade yourself and you also do not want to give your money. There is a way you can link your account to someone's account. You can basically link your account to my account. Then what will happen is when I place a trade on my account, it will automatically be executed or placed on your account as well. Let me share with you. Let me just share the screen. Hope you can see this. Okay, this is my copy trading result. I'm testing this to see. I deposited a 250 on this account 1 month and 1 day ago. This is what the result shows. For those of you that have been asking for investments, account management, we don't do that. So this will be the best place for you, where you can simply just link your account to my account. Then everything that is happening on my account happens on your account as well while you are sleeping. I created this strategy 1 month and a day ago for those that have been following. And I told you that I've been on the test phase. What is a test phase? The thing that we claim, I claim that I'm a Forex trader. Am I a profitable Forex trader? I am testing myself by funding. I tested myself by funding a 250 USD on the account. And as we speak, it's on 353 US dollar. And then it's gonna run. I'm trying to achieve at least 100% return on this account. I want to double this account from 250 to 500 USD. Hopefully, by the end of this month or next month, as soon as I achieve that result, I will have high confidence to take in your money. I also want to try myself to record, because this system records everything. How much I started with, how much loss I made, how many trades I have taken. I want to test on a period of a month, how much can I generate? And so far, in 1 month, I have generated 41%, meaning if you were to invest on copy trading with me a month ago, your funds could have generated 41% profit. That is what it means. We'll be launching it very soon. So far, we are doing very well. The results looks very promising. Trust me, I'm really smiling, even me to myself, like, wow. So I've been making these kind of results. Okay. So, and then soon it will be launched. So, and then we're gonna do it this way. The minimum investment on this copy trading, it will be a 250 US dollar. If you want to be copying my trades, you can put your money in your own trading account, and then we will connect it to my account. Every time I place a trade, it's automatically placed on your account as well. If I make a loss of a 5% or 10%, your account will also make a loss of 5 or 10%. If I make profit of like 43% like this, your account will automatically make 41%, not 43, 41% as well. It was at 43, but today I closed a position on New Zealand Audi USD. If you remember the signal that I shared, I did cut loss immediately. That is something I'm good at. I cut loss when it's in a loss. I hold trades for days when it's in profit. You abuse it when it's in profit. When it's in loss, cut that thing and you wait for another opportunity. There's no emotions. It's just how it is. And then with copy trading, We are going to share 30-70, meaning 30% of the profit that will be generated on your account, it will come to me. And then you keep 70%. It's a fair system. And you can decide to connect and disconnect when you want. When you want to withdraw or cancel, you can terminate it at any time. The money will be in your own trading account, meaning I will not have control over your money. You deposit and withdraw when you want. You are not going to send me any login detail. We're just going to connect it and so on. So this is the whole idea. When you are free, if you are interested into this, I will share more details as we progress. That is copy trading. Okay. So this brings us to the end of our session for tonight, and unless you have questions. So thank you for staying until the end. The SyntaFX team wishes you a prosperous trading journey ahead. It's Q&A session now. Hope we kept the time. We are supposed to be here from 8 to 10, and we have 19 more minutes to go. Q&A session now. If you have a question, please just unmute yourself. Let me allow you to unmute yourself. You come through. Just unmute yourself. You just give a short. You can also give suggestions and recommendations. If there's somewhere where we can improve with our program, or we can keep it that way, you can also give compliments if everything is fine.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing fine as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the great lesson. It's my first time here, and I would really love to know about the Forex. It seems very intriguing. So my question is, when is the due date for paying the Forex classes for the online?
The lessons usually starts the beginning of the month. The 1.8 special, it's to the first 10 people. There is no due date, meaning whenever the first 10 people comes, then the 1.8 special will close, the birthday special. And then the rest of the people, you can still pay a 3.5, then we can have the online lessons. And our lessons will start, the online lessons will start the beginning of November, the first week. I think it has to be the second week of November, because the first week of November, I have face-to-face lessons in Windhoek. Meaning the second week of November, that is when we can start. We can call it, that will be the due date now. It depends now with whether you'll be on the first class of a 1.8 for the 10 people, or it will be on a 3.5 basis. But let's just say the due date on our next intake, it will be on, looking at the Mondays in November. We are going to start on 11 November. That will be the due date. How much you pay depends to you. If you are paying first or you'll be paying late. Hope I answered your question.
Yeah. Yes, you did. Thank you very much. Hopefully,
right,
I'll see you tomorrow again.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure,
good night.
Hope we'll see you tomorrow as well, Poppy. All right, good
Okay.
night.
Bye.
All right, bye. Any other question or comment? If you don't have a question, you can just unmute yourself. You give us feedback. If there's something that you can recommend, we can improve, you can also do that. Or if everything is okay, you can just give us a compliment on how was the lesson.
Excellent.
Yes, Caroline.
Oh, thank you very much for this, for the lessons. It was really great. It's first time attending your lessons, but yeah, it's giving fire now.
Okay, that's good to hear.
I'm really learning. I'm really learning. This one is it's better than YouTube now.
See that? Okay, good
Yeah.
to hear that you are learning something.
Yeah.
All right, great. Yeah, but we
Also,
are
I want
gonna
to ask.
learn. Don't miss tomorrow and Wednesday and the lessons on Friday. These ones that we learned, it's just more theory, but the fire is starting tomorrow. Trust me.
Okay, I want.
Okay,
And
great. Yeah, you can ask.
let me ask again.
Mm-hmm.
I think I once it's like, was it, it was not a competition, but it was a free giveaway for the dairy book and the caps. Are we still getting, or they are finished?
The
Because I
caps
was
are
one of
finished, but the
those.
books are still here. I still have a lot of books left. I'm just finding it a challenge with Korea and it's just the time that is challenging, but I'll try to push the admins so they can assist with couriering and all other things. The caps are finished, but the book and the bags, we still have them.
Okay.
And if you're in Windhoek, you can wait for next week. I'll come with some. Instead of you paying for courier, maybe it's just best if I give you a specific location, then you can pick it there.
No, I'm in Walvis Bay.
If you're in Valfest, then you just have to pay your courier fee. It's a 70
I
bucks.
paid the courier fee already. I paid already a long time before the book get finished even.
Then it's us fail. If you pay, then I'll make time to give you a cap. I have like 2 caps that I reserved for myself. I'll give you one from there.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Let me just take note of it so that
Let me take advantage of that one. Drop mine in Ottawa, please.
Pardon? Which one? Monica?
Advantage for me, drop mine in Ottawa.
When I'll
Yes.
be going to Windhoek, or how?
Yes, please.
This is Monica.
I'll just come by the 7th.
No problem. That service that we always eat maize throughout the year. I don't know where you guys get the maize. But in Ottawa, you will always eat fresh maize at that service. Okay, Monica, please give me your number.
Yes.
I want to take note. Monica?
081
081
20
20
32321.
32321. Okay, no problem. And for Caroline Valfest by Caroline, give me your number.
081
For Sarafion Gwediva, please.
Pardon?
For Sarafion Gwediva.
Oh, 081
60
30
60
60
93
93
228
228.
40 so Angwena, please. 40 so Angwena.
Maybe we should team up instead of everyone paying a 70-70. You know, the economy it's tough these days. Why?
Yeah.
I will open the groups. I'll open the groups. Then you guys can team up. If it's Ongwediva, then we can at least put in one box. Then you guys will share. Hope the receiver will be honest enough to give to others.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe that will do. But I think I'll just open the group so
like
we can...
me, I paid the $70 already long time, man. I think just the first 2 of the giveaway.
Yeah, but for Caroline, you will get a special treatment tomorrow. You will receive your stuffs. Okay.
All right.
Any other questions?
Yeah, again. Let me ask again.
You can ask since no one wants to ask. We still have some minutes.
Yeah. On the verification part.
Yeah.
On the verification part now, how much do you charge maybe for the verification? Because ever since I have been struggling with Delif, only now they verify my week, or maybe this weekend. It was Sunday, I think. Or was it Saturday? Now on the residential address, every time I submit my documents. I tried to submit the proof of residence, and then it's like they are saying apparently the information is not the same as the one that is on my account. I tried to change. I put the bank statement, still the same story. Now I don't know.
Okay, on the verification, we do charge a 150 Namibian dollar to verify your account. Yeah, the proof of residence.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right. Any other question?
Thank you.
Welcome. We still have 10 minutes to go. All right, if there are no questions, then let me just have comments. Let me have 2 gentlemen and 2 ladies. Just to give us feedback. Just give me feedback. How was the lesson? If there's any way I can improve. I'm not perfect, and I'm always willing to improve. How was the lesson?
He says,
Let's say I've been talking to you guys for like 2 hours and you don't want to talk to me. Talk to me.
Master Silta,
Yes, Prince.
how are you, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks. And how are you, Prince?
Good. The lessons were very good.
Okay.
We took a lot of notes.
Okay.
I just have one question for you.
Sure.
Will you also tackle on the part of psychology?
For the free 4 days, we won't. But for those that are proceeding with the mentorship program, we will tackle maybe day 12, 13 day on the course outline.
Oh, okay, because that's the biggest problem.
But psychology is mostly solved with the practical. Theory, you can watch YouTube, you can read books, but it doesn't make sense because it's a combination on how you are risking, what you are trading, and it's automatically solved in the practical sessions.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, boss.
All right, most welcome.
Evening, Mr. Silta.
Yes, Aniki, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very well.
So I just want to ask about copy trading. So you used to charge how much? I just want to ask about copy trading.
Copy trading is not yet launched, but when it will be launched, step number 1, the minimum amount you deposit it in your own trading account. It's a $250 US. Then after that, but for Aniki, I think you have been with us for quite some time. Whenever you are ready, just let me know. You can be the first I can connect to my account. You put the 250 in your own account, okay? I don't charge you anything. You don't pay me anything. And then I start trading. When I'll be trading, my results will be automatically copied to your account. And then if there will be profit, whichever profit that will be made, 30% will come to me, 70% will come to you. The thing that I'll benefit from you is 30% only if I make profit. The money that you are depositing on your account, it's yours. I will not touch it and I can't withdraw it. It's only profit that we're going to share. Is it clear then?
Yes, it's clear, but always when I used to call you, Mr. Silta, you don't used to pick up my call because I'm in Windhoek now. I want to meet you face to face, but always when I used to
I'm sorry for that, but I don't know. Maybe it's really hard to reach me. That one I know. For business purpose, my admins, they are always available. Okay, you can deposit and withdraw through them. But when you want to reach me personal, it's quite tough. But Aniki, I'll make an exception. I'll give me a call tomorrow. I'll pick.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Good night.
All right, welcome. If there's anything you want, don't hesitate to call our business number, okay? The admin will always assist. If it's business related, you can reach us 24/7. If it's personal, that's where it gets a bit tricky to reach me.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sure.
The lesson for today is very nice.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, welcome. Let's have
Master
two more.
Silta,
Yes, good evening.
I'm back with another question about the t-shirts, sir.
Okay.
Is it for free?
The derivative t-shirts, they are usually for free because I get them from the broker for free. The task is
Yeah.
just to distribute them. But at the moment, there are no derivative t-shirts available. So the cylinder t-shirts, they are printed with our own money, not to make money, but just for the brand and all that. So we usually print them at 140 because we do embroidery and nice printing with the arms and so on. And then we also top up a $70, 60-70 for courier. That's why we ask at 200. But if you are in Windhoek, you can pick it up. You just need the 140, the cylinder t-shirts. 140, you can pick it up. And then if you're in Rundu, you can also pick it up from our office for a 140 only. Just to get back the money that we print with. Hope you get the idea.
Yeah, I do get it. I actually want the one looking like the one you got on.
This one is a derivative shirt. I got it from the broker. Which town are you?
I'm in Windhoek.
If I no, this one you won't get it for now. I think the next round we're gonna get t-shirts from derivative. It's early next year.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Any other question? Let's have last question. We have 3 minutes to go. If we don't have questions, then thank you so much. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. But if you have a question, I'm still.
Bye. Night.
All right.
Good
Good night.
night. Bye,
Good
guys.
night.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you for the lesson. It was so nice.
Most welcome.
Hey, Mr. Silta.
Yes, Josiah.
How are you, boss?
I'll find things and how
When
are
I'm
you?
getting the diary and the bag in Windhoek.
In Windhoek, I'll have to check. It will be best. I think I'll just communicate it on the group.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for the lesson. It was very nice.
All right, most welcome.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Alan. Is it Alan or Alan? Alan.
It's Alan.
Okay, Alan. Yeah.
Yeah, I just have a question on the t-shirts. How I can get the t-shirts here? I'm located in Rundu.
If you are located in Rundu, our office is by main cash and carry. What you have to do is you just call this number. The number.
Okay, wait, let me write it down. Can you just send the number in the group?
If you're on the group, you can call the number that is always posting on the group. That is the number you should call.
Okay.
Yeah. Call that number, then they will
See, how
direct
much?
you. You just go at Cash and Carry, then you give us a call. It's a building opposite Cash and Carry. It's a white building. There are office spaces there. That is where we are renting one of the office.
So how much is it?
140.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thanks for the lessons, by the way.
All right, most welcome. All right, it's 10 o'clock. we can call it a night. We'll catch up tomorrow. Please let me know in the comment section on how was the lesson. If you can't say it before we go, just let me know. Drop a comment on how was the lesson before you go.